How to delete bookmarks folder on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete bookmarks folder on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click uh, this Opera icon here, and then click this one, not this one, sorry, click this one, bookmarks, and then just select any folder you want and just hold on it and click this one, this icon, and as you see the folder has been deleted. And that's how to delete a bookmarks folder on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.